Maharashtra State Bureau of Textbook Production and Curriculum Research, Pune. English. Balbharati. Standard 1.
8. Sounds in the middle of words.
1. Write A in each middle square. BAG bag. CAT cat. JAM jam. FAT fat. 2. Write E, I, O and U in the proper boxes. PIN pin. TIN teen. FUN fun. BUN bun. BOY boy. COW cow. DEN den. PEN pen. 3. Copy the above words in your word file. 4. Read the words and join each one to its starting sound. Was. House. Duck. Yell. Rope. Tree. Hat. Doll. Van. Tap. Yoke. Ring.
Dear students, look at the screen. I've joined the pairs for you.